So this is Franklin. He is the companion video face to Jillian. My most previous upload was Say Hello to Jillian, and this is going to be titled Say Hello to Franklin. And Franklin, I had a little harder time with on this one. There wasn't enough of him there to really bring him out. The eye, I had a really hard time with the eye, but the hair here, very clearly there was hair here, and the eyes in this area, but in his mouth, look, I'm just following the lines here. Slow this down, you can see there's some lines here. You know, as usual, all the lines that I put on these videos, on these faces, they're almost always all there. You know, some of it I embellish a little bit, most of this is already there, but, like, I never was happy with this eye, but, you know, in the end, Franklin ended up being what he is, and absolutely, he's the companion to Jillian, and, what do you think? Is it a man-made or a natural structure? You can see Jillian here to the right, Franklin here to the left. To me, it seemed very clearly that these are both faces, but I'm definitely asking for your comments. What do you guys think? Thanks a lot for watching. Peace and love to you all in lak'ech. I see you as another version of myself.